Oh no, the camera's on, quick run. So now we're at the same stage we was at on the other side. But this side decided to leak some oil out the steering rack. That was a nice surprise for our mate Grant. All over him. Luckily his glasses protected him because he's got 4 eyes.
Don't make us hate you.
What?
4-eyed people hate you.
4 people don't hate me. I don't hate 4 people, just Grant. Back at this stage, cable tie the caliper up there. Steering rack's out. Gator's there. So now we're going to build this one together. This kit, we have noticed that you have to take the 2 bolts out the bottom because it don't come with them.
Oh, you that really hard.
So you got to take these 2 nuts, these 2 out.
They are 19s.
What
I'm
are they?
doing them by hand.
What are they, 18s?
18s, man.
Teens.
18.
Look all the play in the bushes, knackered that is.
It's only done 90,000 kilometres.
So Japan says, but we know the lie. Car has been clocked, but there's no way that car has done that many less miles and is that knackered. Fuck it. We've got the other arm here. Here's the new ball jointino, the new track rod end. So what we do here, this column goes on there with the dowels. Someone's put paint in that one. Nice that is. Magical balancing. I think this hub's bent, mate. I think this hub's bent.
What?
It's not going in.
Yeah, I know, I was struggling with that earlier.
I have to get the tappy stick. Or
I'll just send it.
Send it! Lock tight on him.
Yeah.
Oh. Lock tight.
Don't know if we should.
Probably. No arm is there. Tight is tight. There's no adjustments on there.
I don't like this tub because
We pulled the foreskin back.
yeah, but it was like brand new, but it's always been.
Half empty and paid 50 quid for it.
There's fucking loads in there. I'm supposed to put that much on.
I'm gonna spread it. Share it between the 2. Sharing's good. That lid's never coming off, is it?
But the lid's Loctited on.
Yeah.
Nice. Mush.
It's alright, that is. I don't like this knuckle. Feels a bit short. What we learned with this arm is the inner 2 has a washer built in. You need to put a washer here and here against the body. We think. We don't know. We think. We're giving out the information, but we don't know if it's right.
I don't know anything.
He does. He plays silly buggers, but he does know. Just the tape is a bit stiff. Got a bit of paint on here.
Bit of fucking.
Bit of gold blend on mush. Bit of Spanish texture. Whoa, watch me finger. So first we're going to put this on. We'll take you with us on this journey. These are the 2 washers.
And Grant's a twat.
Yeah, isn't that? My mate Grant is. My mate. So first of all, Grant's going to put the track rod end on. Next point puts the locking tab on. And then when it's all the way tight, he knocks the flaps over. So I'll do it there. Then he'll put the boot on. But while he's doing that, I'm going to put this up here. It's definitely 2 hands this is. So the 2 bolts are in. 1, 2, and then you see the little silver washer there and there.
Is that Honda?
No, but we need to take that off. And now Grant's going to put this one there.
Do you want to do some science and explain what things do?
No.
No? You sure?
What sort of science?
Well, there's lots of science here. Like
This is
why
your
you have
coilover.
fresh parts.
You have fresh parts so they don't knock.
you don't want ball joints to move, etc. Don't ask me for science. I want you to tell them science. Like, I'm thick. Do they understand like what we do?
If you wanna go on how, why, there, and you go to a different channel, don't you? You don't come here for actual useful information.
Okay. You just want to see me fucking struggle.
Language is so bad. So you got to put a nut on the bottom. Where is it? So what I don't understand is look at this nut and then the pins down there. What's going on? China.
That is China. Well, gravity. Space is the best.
Track rod end.
Gravity.
Track rod end.
Shakotan.
Where is it?
Well, no, he left it
24. That one, ain't
there. 24 ball.
it? 17. Put the ABS sensor back in.
Let me clean it up.
What for?
No.
Just burp on my face.
You've been doing it to me all night.
I haven't burped.
You have.
You're a tracker, man.
I'm a tracker.
They use that there by the socket.
I'm not used to your
What?
storage.
If you don't like it, get off my ramp.
Your ramp. Ewa ramp. Ewa.
Ours. Ewa.
Ewa. Mush, that's
What?
not right.
It is right.
Mush, it's like touching the car.
So what?
Alright. Don't swear at me. I told you you've been shouting at me all night.
No. So get the track rod as well. Gonna put the track rod on there, then put it on there. Then we're gonna put the disc on, then the caliper on. Busier. Hold that now while he's fanning about.
What, mate?
Alright, buddy.
What are you doing?
Putting the disc on. All the lock.
We need to undo them first.
Which?
The heat shield bolts.
Well, they're only finger tight, are they?
Yeah, but what calipers in there?
Really?
Don't swear.
Then that's putting the track rod in on. Stiff ain't there?
Yeah.
Just like you bought the wrong thread.
Oh, no.
What's that language is that?
Buckle. Is everyone excited for Attack on Titan season 4?
Yeah, you're ready for Attack on Titan season 4.
We're buzzing. We're going to start a podcast, anime, and cars. Podcast
And games
and games. Anime, games with cars in them.
with pillows, talk.
No, I don't want a body pillow. I've already got one.
Just stop playing up, Grant. This video's already like 6 minutes long of us just struggling. That's not enough.
I reckon.
No way.
For ages. Alright, fucking
Thor.
fantastic Mr. Forearms.
It's got
Got
socket
tools and four, mate.
socket fingers, ain't it? Well, if you went to the gym and lifted
Oh,
weights over lifting
You go
donuts,
to the gym.
I'll go on the vending machine. Mush!
I'll sit with you. Yeah.
What's that mean?
Will you watch Attack on Titan?
No.
I'll watch it from
No.
the beginning with you. With you?
No.
Please.
You can come round my house, sit on my bed.
Yeah. That's weird.
Alright, we're just putting the disc and caliper on it. Ain't rocket science, but he's making a pig's meal of it. So,
I'm struggling again. What am I doing?
so that's it. The top bolt 17's done. The two 14's done. The ABS 10's done. The bottom 24's done. The two 19's are done. Grant's just doing the track rod end.
Tie rod end outer.
And then the two caliper bolts are done. And the nut on the inside of that is also done. So I'm calling us done. The only thing we've got to do now is torque everything up to the correct specs specified. Don't make me laugh. And then we're going to put cotter pins in, which is like, as you can see, Grant's torqued this one up, so he's putting the pin in now.
Because why we're going to do it like that, mate?
Because it's China.
No, because it's my wheel.
Yes, so we have to bend it all the way back, like I've shown him
We
anyway.
knew it was coming.
Yeah.
But
But that's it. I think we're back together now. Talk, spec, ready for action.
You're gonna cut that so it looks like son.
What?
You're gonna cut that so it looks like we've talked this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I talk everything, mate. But that's going to be it for today, I think. Because we ain't going to be doing the bushes tonight because it's way too late, and I think this is way too much information for you to be taking on. Big job, yeah. This kit also that is ordered fits IS200, IS300, Toyota Altezza.
Yeah. JZX, all JZX100, GX100, GXE100, SXE10, anything 110 related, this all fits at the minute, unless I go for alignment and things don't work.
Yeah.
But
you know all of this as well is because he wants to make a Bipu car with Shakotan wheels.
I'll show some pictures.
Yeah, I might put 1 or 2 videos in. But there's not many done in the UK.
Right, fucking engine static. You
That's
know,
it. I mean, it's the coilovers.
the right way.
Coilovers, no bagaroonies. But I think, Grant, that's it. That's it for tonight. It's late. We need to wrap this up. Get the cars in before they freeze. While he makes loads of noises to try and talk over it.
Sorry.
But yeah, so that's the process so far. Track rod ends, inner track rods, lower arms, ball joints, drop knuckles, top camber arms. Busy, yeah? If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and definitely like the video. Big work, yeah? For me and Grant, catch you next time. In bit.